For sale at Classic Auto Mall is this numbers matching 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible that has been the subject of a high-end restoration in about 2020. It features a 400 cubic inch V8 putting out 325 horsepower connected to a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission with a 12-bolt rear axle. It has power disc brakes in the front and drums in the rear. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.